In order to determine if various points are solutions to inequalities, we want to substitute in those values. So let's start off with this first example. If I substitute -2 in for the x and -5 in for y, I'm going to rewrite my inequality where the variables now have sets of parentheses where they used to be. Then I'm going to substitute in the -2 and the -5. Following order of operations, to simplify the left side, 8 times -2 is -16, and 3 times -5 is -15. And when I take -16 minus 15, I end up getting -31. Let's bring down the greater than -3. Most of you know that the alligator eats the bigger meal, but when it comes to negative numbers, you might consider instead thinking of it as it's going to eat what I would rather have. When it comes to negative numbers, if I owe somebody $31 and I owe somebody $3, I would rather owe $3. So the alligator should be eating the -3 because it is larger. So this is false, which leads me to no, -2, -5 is not a solution to this inequality. The next couple of examples are actually very straightforward, but because they look a little different, you might think that you're not sure what to do. All right, so here we go. I've got a point, 2, 5, and my inequality is simply y is less than or equal to 3. I'm going to still make a substitution into my inequality, but there's no place for the number 2. I'm simply substituting only the 5, which is the y, in there. Now the alligator should be eating the larger one, and 3 is smaller than 5, so this is false, which leads me to no, the point 2, 5 is not a solution to my inequality. So let's do one more of those. I'm going to substitute into y is less than or equal to 3. There's no place for me to substitute the x value, only the y value. So I'm going to grab this -3, and I'm just putting that there in for the y. The alligator eats the larger one, or the one that you would rather have. So having $3, owing $3. I would rather have $3, and the alligator is eating that one. So this is true. And that leads me to say that 6, -3 is a solution to my inequality. Okay, last couple of examples here. This time I have an inequality x is less than 4. I want to go in and replace the x with the number 5. This time there's no place to substitute the y value. Okay, so I'm putting in 5 there, and the alligator should be eating the big one, and 4 is smaller than 5. That's not true. False. That leads me to the conclusion that no, the point 53 is not a solution to x is less than 4. Last example, I'm going to replace -1 in for that x. There's no place to put the 6. Which one would I rather have? Well, I would rather have $4 than owe somebody $1. So the alligator is eating the one I would rather have. So it's true. Therefore, yes, the point -1,6 is a solution. Last little comment is these symbols. If you're not sure how to read this symbol, notice this symbol, when you open it up, it makes the letter L. And so that is going to be the symbol that is less than. If the symbol does not open up to make the letter L, for example, this one here, when I open this symbol up, it does not make the letter L, so I read that greater than.